Hello friends and my beloved students. Welcome to Guru Ram channel. I am going to teach new syllabus 8th standard contents for English medium students. Make use of it. Watch my videos continuously. Definitely you will be benefited and you will learn more. If you like this video, click subscribe button and also click bell button. You will get all notifications. Good morning students. Today we are going to discuss about exercise 1.6 sums. First fill in the blanks. Minus 1 to the power even integer. So example, I can take it here minus 1 squared because that is even. So minus 1 into minus 1 what? Minus into minus plus. So you can write it as 1 only. So if that even integer means that answer symbol plus only. So plus 1 is the answer. For a is not equal to 0, a to the power 0 is 1. Any number to the power 0 is 1. 4 to the power minus 3 into 5 to the power minus 3. So, powers are equal. So, base you multiply 4 into 5, 20 to the power minus 3. So, here minus 2 to the power minus 7 means here one formula is there. A to the power minus m we can write it as 1 by a to the power m. Likewise, we can write it as 1 by minus 2 to the power 7. So, minus 2 to the power 7 is 1 by minus 128. So, we can write it as minus 1 by 128. Next sum also same formula. So, a to minus 1 by 3 to whole to the power minus 5 means you can write it as 1 by minus 1 by 3 to the power 5. So this is odd power. So you can write it as minus that 3 will go to the numerator. So minus 3 to the power 5. That means 3 to the power 5 that is 243. So you can write it as minus 243. Next one, a to the power x equal to 1 by 64 means the value of x is what? 1 by 64 means what do you write? 1 by 8 squared. 1 by 8 squared means what? The formula a to the power minus m equal to 1 by a to the power m. Here what is a to the power minus m? That is a to the power minus 2 only. So minus 2 means x is minus 2. So here given x is minus 2. Therefore it is true. Next question, the simplified form of 256 to the power minus 1. Here we can write it as 256 is 4 to the power 4. Okay, 4 to the power 4 is 256. So power whole to the power minus 1 by 4. So we can cancel it this 4 and this 4. So we get it as 4 to the power minus 1. So that is equal to 1 by 4. That is true. Next question, 3 to the power 7 to the power minus 2. First we can check it. A to the power m whole to the power n is a to the power m into n only. Here 7 into minus 2 means minus 14 only. That is 3 to the power minus 14, but here given 5, that is false. Next, the standard form of 2 into 10 to the power minus 4 means, so 2 into 1 by 10,000. So this one, how will you write it in decimal? First you put it 2. Here 4 zeros means 4 digit left. 1 digit is there. 2, 3, 4. Point. This one is dummy 0. So here you see the same answer we get it. So that is true. Next one, the scientific form of 123.456 is this one. So we can check it this also. 1.23456 into 10 to the power minus 2 means 1 by 100 it will go to the point left only. So here z, what do you get it? 0.01 only, but given answer given 123, so that is false. Clear? Next question. Evaluate 1 by 2 whole cube. That means what? A by b whole to the power m equal to a to the power m by b to the power. So you can write it as 1 cube by 2 cube. 1 cube is 1 and 2 cube is 2 into 2 into 2, 8. Therefore answer is 1 by 8. Next one, 1 by 2 to the power minus 5. That is a to the power minus m equal to 1 by a to the power m. So we can write it as 1 by 2 to the power minus 5. So 1 by here 1 by a to the power minus m also we can write it as what? A to the power m. So we can get 2 to the power 5. So 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, 32 is the answer. Next one, minus 5 by 6 whole to the power minus 3. So we can write it as expand here, minus 5 to the power minus 3, 6 to the power minus 3. That means a to the power minus m, 1 by a to the power m. So we can write it as 1 by minus 5 cube. 6 to the power minus 3 means 1 by a to the power minus m. We can write it as a to the power m. So we can write it as 6 cube. So 6 cube is 216 and minus 5 cube is minus 125. Therefore we can write it as minus 216 by 125. Next one. 2 to the power minus 5 into 2 to the power 7 divided 2 to the power minus 2. So what identity here? A to the power m into a to the power n. That is, here two identities here used, a to the power m plus n. This is multiply. Next one, divide means a to the power m divided a to the power n equal to a to the power m minus n. Okay. So first identity here, a to the power m into a to the power n. So minus 5 plus 2 is what? Minus 5 plus not 2, minus 5 plus 7. Minus 5 plus 7, that is 2. So 2 to the power 2 divided 2 to the power minus 2. That is, divided means we can subtract minus. So 2 minus of minus 2. That is minus into minus plus, therefore 2 plus 2. 2 to the power 2 plus 2, 2 to the power 4. Therefore 16 is the answer. Here we used two identities. Next, 2 to the power minus 1 into 3 to the power minus 1 divided bracket divided 6 to the power minus 2. So already I told you. So powers equal means base you can multiply. So 2 into 3, 6. So 6 to the power minus 1 we get. Next divided 6 to the power minus 2. Here a to the power m divided a to the power n. That is a to the power m minus n. So minus 1 minus of minus 2. Minus into minus plus. So minus 1 plus 2. That is 6 to the power 1. That is 6 is the answer. Next, 2 by 5 to the power whole to the power 4 into 5 by 2 whole to the power minus 2. So first as it you write it. Second one, 5 by 2 you can write it as 5 by 2 whole square. So 5 by 2, 1 by 5 by 2 whole square means what is the reciprocal of this number? Because 1 by. So that reciprocal 2 by 5 whole square. So you put it 2 by 5 whole square there. So here you see base equal now. So base equal means power you can add. That identity a to the power m into a to the power n equal to a to the power m plus n. So 4 plus 2, 2 by 5 whole to the power 6 is the answer. Next, 4 by 5 whole to the power minus 2 divided 4 by 5 whole to the power minus 3. Already we know the formula. Divided base equal means powers you can minus it. So minus 2 minus of minus 3. That means minus into minus here plus. So minus 2 plus 3 we get it. 4 by 5 minus 2 plus 3 means greater number. First subtract the number. 3 minus 2 1. What is the greatest number here? That the sign have plus. So 4 by 5 whole to the power 1. That means 4 by 5 is the answer. 2 power 7 into 1 by 2 whole power minus 3. First you write it 2 power 7 and after you write it this 1 by 2 whole power minus 3. We can write it as 1 by 2 whole cube. Because a power minus m equal to 1 by a power m. Next 1 by 1 cube is 1 only by 2 cube. 1 by 2 cube means we can write it as 2 cube. So next here you see 2 power 7 into 2 power 3. This is a power m into a power n equal to a power m plus n. So 7 plus 3, that is 2 power 10 is the answer. Next evaluate 5 power 0 plus 6 power minus 1 into 3 cube means first we have to multiply 5 power 0 into 3 cube plus 6 power minus 1 into 3 cube. Next 5 power 0 is 1 and 3 cube is 27. And 6 power minus 1 is 1 by 6. We can expand this 6 2 into 3. So 1 by 2 into 3 into 3 cube. So this is also one formula. 3 cube by 3 means a power 3 power 1 is there here. So a power m divided by a power n means a power m minus n. So 3 power 27 into 27 27 plus 1 by 2 into 3 power 3 minus 1, that is 27 plus 1 by 2 into 3 squared. We can use this also. You can cancel it. 2 into 3 into 3 cube means we can cancel. This method also you can use. So here 3 cube is there. So 1 3 and here 3 cancel means 3 square. You can use this also. So we get it this one. So 3 squared means 9. 9 by 1 is there. So 1 into 3 squared 9 9. 2 into 1 9 by 2. So after you cross multiply 2 27s are 54 plus 9. 63 by 2 is the answer. Bracket of 2 to the power minus 1 plus 3 to the power minus 1 closing bracket divided 6 to the power minus 1. So 2 to the power minus 1 we can write it as 1 by 2. And 3 to the power minus 1 also we can write it as 1 by 3. So 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3. So inside the bracket, that is divided after 6 power minus 1. So first do the LCM of 2 and 3, we get it 6. 6 into 3 times, so 1 into 3 3. 6 in 3 2 times, so 1 into 2 2. So we get it 3 plus 2 by 6, that is 5 by 6. Divided 6 to the power minus 1 means we can write it as divided 1 by 6. So divided I can change into multiply. So 1 by 6 I can write it as 6. So 5 by 6 into 6, 6 and 6 cancel with one time. So that answer is 5. Next one, 3 to the power minus 1 plus 4 to the power minus 2 plus 5 to the power minus 3 whole to the power, all numbers whole to the power 0. That means whatever that number whole to the power 0 numbers whole to the power 0 is 1 only. So we can use this formula here, a to the power 0 equal to 1. Therefore the answer is 1. Simplify 3 squared whole cube into bracket of 2 into 3 to the power 5 whole to the power minus 2 into 18 square. So this is 3 squared whole cube means we can multiply 2 into 3, we get it 6. Next 2 into 3 to the power 5 whole power minus 2 means we can write it as 1 by whatever the 2 into 3 to the power 5 whole square fully into 18 square. We can multiply each one, so we get it 1 by 2 squared into 3 to the power 5 whole squared into 18 square. So 5 squared also we can write it as 3 to the power 10, and 18 squared we can write it as 2 into 9. 9 is nothing but 3 squared. Because of simplification we are writing like this. So 2 into 3 squared whole square. Next step, so here also you multiply 2 squared into 3, 2 into 2, here 3 into 4. So 3 to the power 6 into 1 by 2 squared into 3 to the power 10 into whatever that next one, 2 squared into 3 to the power 4. So here you see a power m into a power n. So 3 to the power 6 plus 4 into 2 squared by 2 squared into 3 to the power 10. We can cancel to this also one time, and 3 to the power 10 also one time. So answer is 1. Question 9 squared into 7 cube into 2 to the power 5 by 84 whole cube. So 9 squared we can write it as 3 squared whole square, and 7 cube into 2 to the power 5. So here 84 means how will you write this one? So we can do the prime factorization. 84 first 2, so 42. 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4. Next 2, 21. Next 3, 7, and 7 also. Here you see 2 into 2, that is 2 squared into 3 into 7 and whole cube. After you multiply with each one, so 2 to the power 2 into 3 and 3 cube and into 7 cube. After you cancel, see here also you multiply 3, 2 into 2 means what you get? 3 to the power 4. So 3 to the power 4 and here 3 to the power 3. So directly you cancel or you use the formula. So a power m divided a power n means a power m minus 1. So 3 here you see 4 minus 3. 7 directly you cancel it, no problem. So 7 power 3 power minus 3 also 7 to the power 0, that is 1. Next here 2 to the power 5, here 2 to the power 6 denominator. So 5 minus 6, 2 to the power minus 1, we can write it as 2 to the power minus 1, 1 by 2. Therefore 3 into 1 by 2 we get it. So 3 by 2 is the answer. Next one, 2 to the power 8 into 2187 by 3 to the power 5 into 3 squared. Here also you do the prime factorization. You get it 3 to the power 7. 2187, if you factorize you get it 3 to the power 7. So 2 power 8 here, a power m divided by a power n equal to a power m minus n. That formula also you use. Otherwise directly you cancel. Here I am using that formula. So 3 to the power 7 minus 5, that is 2 to 2 cube, 8 minus 5 3, 7 minus 5 2. Directly cancel means how will you do? So 8 and here fully cancel, here 8 only you cancel. So remaining here 3. Cancel means. So here 3 to the power 5 na fully cancel 3 to the power. Here only you cancel this 7 and you put it 2. So 2 cube into 3 squared we get it. So 2 cube means 8, 3 squared means 9. So 8 into 9, 72. Solve for x. given 2 to the power 2x minus 1 by 2 to the power x plus 2. So equal to 4. So first one 2 to the power 2x minus 1. Here also they are using this formula a power m divided a power n. So what is that answer here? A power m minus n. So 2 to the power 2x minus 1 minus bracket of x plus 2 equal to 4. We can write it as 2 square. So minus into x, here minus x, minus into plus, minus 2. Next 2x minus x is what? X. Minus 1 minus 2 minus 3. Therefore 2 to the power x minus 3 equal to 2 square. Here you see base equal. So power you can equate. So x minus 3 equal to 2 means x equal to so 2, that minus 3 will go right hand side, so plus 3, so x equal to 5. Okay, next 5 to the power 5 into 5 to the power minus 4 into 5 to the power x by 5 to the power 12 equal to 5 to the power minus 5. So first we can write it as, here all a power m into a power n equal to a power m plus n, only that formula. So 5 to the power, first you do it, 5 to the power 5 minus 4 plus x by 5 to the power 12 equal to 5 to the power minus 5. So 5 minus 4 is 1, 1 plus x, that is 5 to the power 1 plus x by 5 to the power 12 equal to 5 to the power minus 5. Next, we can write it as a power m divided a power n equal to a power m minus 1. That formula here you use. So you get it 5 to the power 1 plus x minus 12. So 1 minus 12 is what? Minus 11. So x minus 11 equal to 5 to the power minus 5. Here also base is equal. So x minus 1 equal to minus 5 means x equal to minus 5. That minus 11 will come to this side, plus 11, so x equal to 6. Expand using exponents. So exponents. So 6054.321. So 6054 means that is the whole number. We can write it as this is 4 ones and 5 tens and 0 hundreds and 6000. So 6 into 1000 plus 0 into 100 plus 5 into 10 plus 4 into 10 to the power 0. That means that is 1. Plus 0.3. 3 means 10th. So 3 by 10 plus 2 by 100 plus 1 by 1000. Next step, 1000 means we can write it that exponent form, that is 10 cube. So here no 100. So leave it. No, leave it. And 5 into 10 means we can write it as 5 into 10 to the power 1 and 4 into 10 to the power 0 plus 3 by 10 plus 2 by 100 plus 1 by 1000. Next step, so first 6 into 10 cube as such you write it, and 3 by 10 you can write it as 10 to the power 3 into 10 to the power minus 1, and 100 means 2 into 10 to the power minus 2 plus 1 into 10 to the power minus 3. Next one, 897.14. So this is ones, here tens, here 100, and here 1 is 10th, here this is 100th. 100. So we can write it as 8 into 100 plus 9 into 10 plus 7 into 10 to the power 0, because we have to use the exponent form here, plus 1 by 10 plus 4 by 100. So next 100 means 10 squared, 10 means 10 power 1, 10 to the power 0 you put it as such, and here 1 by 10 we can write it as 1 into 1 by 10 plus 4 into 1 by 100. So next step, 8 into 10 squared and 9 into 10 to the power 1 plus 7 into 10 to the power 0, plus 1 by 10 we can write it as 1 into 10 to the power minus 1 plus 4 into 10 to the power minus 2. Next question, find the number in standard form. So here exponent given, we have to find the number. So given question 8 into 10 to the power 4 in plus 7 into 10 cube plus 6 into 10 square plus 5 into 10 to the power 1 plus 2 into 1 plus 4 into 10 to the power minus 2 plus 7 into 10 to the power minus 4. So directly you write it, 10 to the power 4 means what? 10,000. 10 cube 1000. 10 squared 100. 10 to the power 1 means 10. And 2 into 1 you put it as such. Plus 4 into 10 to the power minus 2 means 4 into 1 by 100 plus 7 into 1 by 10,000. So here 80,000 you multiply, and 7 into 1000 7,000 plus 600 plus 50 plus 2, and 4 into 1 by 100 means we can write it as 4 by 100 plus 7 by 10,000. This is 100th, this is 10,000th. So here 10th you put it, so 87,652, that is the whole number, point, no 10th, so put it 0. Here 100th is there, so put it 4. 1000th is not there, put it 0, and after you put it 7 10,000th, so you put it 7. So 87,652.0407 is the answer. Five into 10 cube plus 5 into 10 to the power 1 plus 5 into 10 to the power minus 1 plus 5 into 10 to the power minus 3. So 5 into 5, we have to write it in standard form. 10 cube means 1000, 10 to the power 1 10, and 10 to the power minus 1 1 by 10, and 10 to the power minus 3 1 by 1000. So next you multiply 5 into 1000 5000 plus 5 into 10 50 plus 5 by 10 plus 5 by 1000. So 5050, add it, point, 5 tenth 5 you put it, and no 100, so 0 and 5000. Next, so 5050.505. The radius of a hydrogen atom is 2.5 into 10 to the power minus 11. So we can write it as radius of a hydrogen atom 2.5 into 1 by 10 to the power 11. So 2.5 by 10 to the power 11. So here that point is there. It point to move 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. So here we put it the point. Okay, that is the answer. Write the following numbers in scientific notation. Here you see 4. Here we can write it at its given standard form. We can write it in scientific notation. That is that answer here 4.678, and here you see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Therefore we can write it as 4.678 into 10 to the power 11. Next one 0.0000001972. So how we can write it as here, that point moves to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 1.972 into 10 to the power minus 6. Next one 1642.318. So we can write it as it point will move here. So 1, 2, 3. So 1.64238 into 10 to the power 3. Earth volume is about 1,083,000,000,000 cubic kilometers. We can write it in scientific notation. So Earth's volume is, here you see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So we can put it as 1.083 into 10 to the power 12 cubic kilometer. If you fill a bucket with dirt, the portion of the whole earth, this in the bucket will be this one. So portion of earth in the bucket, we can move it. Here you see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. So 1.610 into 10 to the power 24 kg. Next one, by what number should minus 4 to the power minus 1 be multiplied so that the product becomes 10 to the power minus 1. So minus 4 to the power minus 1, we can write it as 1 by minus 4, that is minus 1 by 4. So 10 to the power minus 1 means what? 1 by 10. So product, so that the number be x, so minus 1 by 4 into x equal to 1 by 10. Therefore x, this goes to the right hand side, it will come the reciprocal. So 1 by 10 into minus 4 by 1. So you cancel it, 2 2s are 4, 5 2s are 10. Therefore minus 2 by 5 is the answer. Next one, minus 2 to the power minus 3 into minus 2 to the power minus 2. So you can write it as minus 2 to the power minus 3. You can add the power minus 2 to the power minus 2 to the power minus 5. So we can write it as 1 by minus 2 to the power 5. So power in this minus to the power odd. So we can write it as minus 1 by 2 to the power 5 is 32. Therefore minus 1 by 32 is the answer. Next, which is not correct? Minus 1 by 4 whole squared equal to 4 minus 2. And minus 1 by 4 whole squared equal to 1 by 2 to the power 4. Here you see minus 1 by 4 whole squared. That means minus 1 squared is what? Minus 1 squared is 1. 4 squared is 16. This is correct only. But here you see minus is in the outside bracket. Therefore minus of 1 by 4 whole squared is here minus 1 by 16, that is minus of 16 to the power minus 1 will become. Therefore this is not correct. Next, 10 to the power x by 10 to the power minus 3 equal to 10 to the power 9. So here you see this is that a to the power m divided by a to the power n, a to the power m minus n. So 10 to the power x minus of minus 3, that is x minus into minus plus equal to 10 to the power 9. So we can write it as 10 to the power x plus 3 equal to 10 to the power 9. base equal means power equate. So x equal to 9 minus 3 equal to 6. 6 is the answer. Next, this number scientific form. We can move it here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 2.02 into 10 to the power minus 10 is the scientific form. Thank you students. We will see in the next class.